Hi friends, welcome back to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern turning and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. In this video, I am going to share with you modern room divider, or you can say room partition design ideas. Open space living has become increasingly popular, offering a seamless flow between different areas of the home. However, sometimes a bit of division is necessary to create privacy, define spaces, or simply add a touch of style. Divider screens are an excellent solution for achieving these goals without the permanence of wall. In this video, we will explore various divider screen ideas that can enhance your open space living, inspired by some stunning examples. Open shelving units are a versatile option that can serve as both a partition and a display area. They provide a way to separate spaces without completely blocking light or views, maintaining an airy and open feel. Option for a unit with a mix of open shelves and closed cabinets to balance storage and display needs. You can showcase books, plants, decorative objects, and even small art pieces, making the partition a focal point in the room. Sliding doors offer flexibility and style, allowing you to open or close off spaces as needed. Glass sliding doors are particularly popular for living rooms, as they provide a visual separation without sacrificing natural light. Frosted or thin glass can add an elegant of privacy while still allowing light to filter through. For a more traditional look, consider wooden sliding doors with intricate designs or patterns. Decorative screens come in a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and fabric, and can add a touch of elegance to any living room. They are easy to move and can be used to create a temporary or permanent division. Choose a screen with intricate cut-out designs for a sophisticated look, or option for a simpler modern design to complement contemporary decor. Screens can also be used to hide less attractive areas or create a cozy nook within a large space. A bookcase can serve as a practical and stylish partition in a living room. It offers ample storage for books, decorative items, and personal collections, while also providing a clear division between spaces. Choose a bookcase that suits the style of your living room, whether it's a sleek modern design or a more traditional ornament piece. For a unique twist, consider a double-sided bookcase that can be accessed from both sides. Glass partitions are a sleek and modern way to divide a living room. They allow light to pass through, keeping the space bright and airy while still providing a clear separation. Frameless glass partitions create a seamless look, while partitions with metal or wooden frames can add a touch of industrial or rustic charm. Frosted or colored glass can also be used to add an element of privacy and design. Green walls or vertical gardens are a unique and eco-friendly way to partition a living room. They bring a touch of nature indoors and can significantly enhance the ambience of the space. Green walls can be created using a variety of plants, from succulent to ferns, and can be designed to fit any style from minimalistic to lush and tropical. Besides these aesthetic appeal, green walls also improves air quality and provide a climbing effect. Metal grills partitions add a touch of modern elegance to a living room. They are available in a wide range of designs, from simple geometric patterns to integrate artistic motifs. Better grids can be custom made to suit your space and design preferences, making them a versatile option. They provide a sense of division without completely blocking view or light, maintaining an open feel. Wood slat partitions offer a warm and natural look, perfect for creating a cozy, inviting living room. They can be arranged vertically or horizontally, and the spacing between the slats can be adjusted to achieve the desired level of privacy and openness. Those looking to make a bold statement, an artistic installation can serve as a unique and eye-catching partition. This could include a large piece of sculptures, a custom-made metal or wood installation, or even a wall-mounted art piece. Choosing the right living room partition can transform your space, adding both functionality and style. Whether you prefer the versatility of open shelving units, the elegance of sliding doors, the warmth of wood slats, or the uniqueness of a green wall, there are countless options to suit your needs and preferences. Consider the overall style of your living room, the level of privacy you require, and the specific function you want the partition to serve. With the right design, a living room partition can become a standout feature that enhances both the look and feel of your home. By incorporating these creative ideas, you can create a living room that is both beautiful and functional, perfectly tailored to your lifestyle and design tastes. Whether you are starting from scratch or looking to update your existing space, a well chosen partition can make all differences in achieving a harmonious and inviting living room. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.